In this short tutorial, I'm going to highlight some new changes that you can find in the BravoZone as of February 2022. I'm going to use Tally for this example, but you'll find a lot of these changes are also visible in any of the games within the BravoZone. I'm going to go ahead and go to Content, and you're going to notice here that I have some images that I've inserted as part of the question, or since I'm in Tally here as part of the slide. This will give you a visual look of what's in that question. The rest, I need to actually launch a session to show you these changes. I'm going to go to Publish, and I'm going to choose Practice Mode. And if you're not familiar with Practice Mode, I'm going to show you what you can do in Practice Mode that you can't do in Play Mode. I'm going to start the practice session, and I want to point out some other changes. We have now down here these two bottom options, Anonymous Mode and Play Default Sound. Anonymous Mode will hide any of the names for any of the individuals playing. Especially if you're playing in individual mode, it will hide their names. However, keep in mind, people will still be able to see on their smart devices what they've been assigned. The next thing I want to show you is Play Default Sounds. Though Tally doesn't have a lot of default sounds, it does have a few. And if I want to turn off those sound effects, I can go ahead and turn it off. Keep in mind, any sounds from any imported sound or any video will not be affected by turning this on. I'm going to go ahead and hit Start. When I play in practice mode, I can actually add simulated participants. So I'm going to just add 10 simulated participants. For this example, I'm using Tally, and I have an open-ended question, and that open-ended question is set to show responses as they're entered. The other thing I want to point out here is the ability to hide any of the team avatars, which I have selected for this session, or the leaderboard. All I have to do is click on this little left toggle switch, and it will hide and actually show more real estate or more responses. The session will stay in whatever mode I leave it at. So I'm going to turn this back on, and once again, I can turn it on, and I can leave it here if I want. If I advance, you notice the toggle switch will stay in the last position I set it to. Well, that's it. This is a quick overview of some of the changes we made in the BravoZone. As always, if you'd like to have a personal run-through, feel free to reach out to us. Or until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.